Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio, and I have here a flip through of my Christmas journal that I just finished, and I just love how it turned out. This is a tall and slender journal, which makes it about 11 and a half by 4 3/4 wide. And I've covered it with this really beautiful fabric. It's a very shimmery fabric and just very festive and Christmassy looking. And it has some vintage lace down the spine, and on the front, a beautiful nativity scene. I put a little bit of gold wax around the edges and some lace and a little charm that I made from some old jewelry down there at the bottom. So that's the front of it, and then on the inside there is a really great pocket here for storage of whatever you might want to put in there. And I put in an envelope full of all kinds of little words, Christmas words, that the owner might be able to use in their journaling. And here is page 1. Now I've used my journal kit, the Christmas gift, in this journal here. And here is one of the cards that we altered. And I will list down a link down below where we did the cards in case you missed it. Here's some Edith Holden page, a really neat page from a magazine of Currier and Ives. And then I had this old book of Christmas Santas, vintage Santas, and I made a tag out of one of them with a gold button up there. Some vintage Christmas music. Then here I have a couple of strips of just, you can cut them apart, you can write on the back, however you'd like to handle that. These are from the Graphics Fairy Premium site. A little bit of lace down here in that pocket. And here's from another old magazine, a scene with some papers on the back here. And an old music sheet from a 1917 hymnal. It has some Christmas music on it. Here is the center of the first signature. There are 2 signatures here, and there are 44 pages front and back. Just really love that angel. So pretty. Here's another vintage Santa journaling card in this little pocket, and this opens up with another card here of some pretty angels and a place for you to journal or put a photo in or something of that nature. Here's the other tag that we altered. And here's a long tag with some vintage gold lace down here. And a little charm of a snowflake up there on top to make it kind of fun. I have a couple of angel cards back here. I think these are from Ruby and Pearl's angel kit. And I have stamped on some cloth this really pretty stamp with joy. And here is the other tag in the kit that I have stuck inside this Edith Holden page, the other side of that Currier and Ives. This is from a magazine, or excuse me, an art book of different paintings, and this is a cathedral scene. It's kind of shiny, I know. And I've got some lace there, really pretty lace on the side, and a little journaling card here on the inside. I have to be a little bit of a distance because it's such a tall journal, so I'm trying to bring it up to you to see a little bit closer. Here is another tag with some angels on it, some vellum paper with some damask on it, And here is another project that we did together, and I'll put that link down below where we did the tags and this document holder in case you forgot or missed it. And then inside here, it's really pretty. You can write in there, put memorabilia in there. Here's a beautiful Madonna with Jesus scene. And this is the other tag that we altered together. Here's the center of this signature. Christmas gift. And I have put on tracing paper this beautiful image with a Christian message on it. Pretty sure this is from the Ruby and Pearls kit. There's Christmas bells and a beautiful church scene, and then I have a Christmas card that I thought was so beautiful with the really pretty gold there on each side. You can make 2 journaling cards of it, or however you'd like to use that. And here's a couple of, I think this is from the Graphics Fairy Premium site, some stained glass windows. And inside here I have printed on some rice paper the Christmas story in Luke 2, 1 through 20. And that's all the verses there. And then on the back is the other side of that cathedral. And then I have a pretty tag in there. And at the very back I have clipped in a fabric pieces that the owner can use to decorate the journal with if they would like. And these are all different fabrics that I think go with this journal. And inside this pocket, in the back pocket, I have in here a bunch of little tiny pieces of ephemera that can you use to decorate pages or tags or whatever you might like to create. And that's just stuck right inside there. So this is in my Etsy shop, as well as my digital kit is both in there. So yeah, thank you so much for viewing, and if I don't speak with you again, I hope you have a blessed and very happy holiday and Christmas that's coming up. So thank you for viewing. We'll talk to you later. Bye.